to show you guys how we do a marriage twist, or I think so, yeah, marriage twist. So I'm going to take a 260. This is going to be the end result. It's a 260 attached to what looks like a round balloon, and then you can do all kinds of cool stuff with it. I'm going to use it on this spaceman to give him part of his breathing tubes, but I'll show you how to do it. I have a 260 already inflated. You're going to need a scrap piece of another 260, and then I'm using a 5-inch balloon on this one. You want your 5-inch balloon underinflated, and you want to squeeze the air, squeeze it so it looks like a pear. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie the 260 to the very end of this nozzle. And when I do that, so I have it tied, instead of pulling the knot tight, I want to pull it tight by pulling this out. Basically, you want this 5-inch balloon to be as soft as possible. Then you're going to stick your finger where the nozzles meet, and you're going to push them through to where you can grab them from the other side. So I'm grabbing them from inside the balloon, and this is where this scrap piece comes in. You're going to wrap this scrap piece around the nozzles that you've grabbed inside the balloons, and what that does is it prevents these nozzles from going back, coming out, and coming apart. And then once you tie this off, you're good to go. And then you can trim all of this, and that's how you do it.
Join the Balloon Guild community for access to a growing library of balloon decor recipes, exclusive templates, webinars, and direct support from experts. Benefit from special discounts, members-only events, skill development opportunities, and a say in future content to elevate your business and expertise in the balloon decor industry. To join, visit theballoonguild.com now.